How you guys doing? You guys ready? You guys ready to fire this thing up? Let's do it. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is gonna be great. You're cutting your carrots and you're crying. Don't do that. You're cutting your celery and you're crying. You don't want to do that. No one likes to cry, right? Unless it's really worth it. So this is the benefit, again, of doing these Zoom classes, that you get to actually see what you're supposed to do. This is what I like to do. Well, hold on a second. Don't wash the mushrooms. Hold the phone. My wife still thinks I'm handsome, by the way. Reducing stress in the kitchen, reducing stress about cooking, is about being prepared. Just relax, get everything prepared before you even turn on the stove or the oven. Water has no flavor. I'm all about the flavor. We like flavor, right? Hey, it's not a race here at the Chef Des Zoom classes. We're here to cook together. Why is the shape of a wok so important? We're gonna cover that. I get so excited. Let's just be honest, right? Just come to the Chef Des Zoom classes, folks. You don't need to watch those cooking shows on TV. All right. What a load of malarkey. I can't believe they let these people on TV. Anyway, time for the white powder. I digress. Cooking is never time. You just ruined the whole dish. Cooking is never time. It's always a visual, a texture, an internal temperature. All right. Now I caution you, man, we're just gonna cook like mad people right now. Here's the biggest mistake people make when cooking meat in a pan. Don't do that. I love it. I cook topless, baby. That's right. And we're looking really good. Let me show you. What's happening? Wow.
So good.
Awesome. Thank you.
Another hitter out of the park.
Awesome. Again, I want to thank you guys for joining me tonight, but I guarantee you this, the reason for me doing this is to really pass on the knowledge, the years of expertise that I have accumulated and share it with you and make you guys better home chefs. For the rest of your lives, you're going to have a kitchen. The rest of your lives, you're going to eat food. You might as well make an effort to make it good because it's not going anywhere. And we'll see you next time, folks.